look at AUD USD. It's expected that RBA will look at cutting rate from 3.85 to 3.6. So OCR will look at it, and it's due to inflation concern. And let's look at the structure on weekly time frame. AU structure is very nice looking. This for educational purpose only, please. All my trades are for educational purpose only. So we have the price action starting from 2020. We have here SR level, break of SR level, RS level, break of SR level becomes SRRT, support become resistance and break of structure, and a retest candle to a broken structure. And you can see how simple trade is. The price action that happened here in 2020 provided a buy floor October 2022 is a retest. SRRT returned again. We had something similar like this in Euro USD and a return in April, and it gave you, without this structure, it will technically be impossible for you to enter here on a sniper entry. So we are looking at a strategy that addresses the market without so much confusion. Now we have the upper bound, which is my supply roof. I can see it here, and this is my demand floor. We have ROS1, we have ROS2, we have ROS3, free trade. This is a free trade. This one in September 2024 is a free sell trade. If you connect ROS1, ROS2, this gives you a free trade. And this, when price come here, it will happen again. So what we are looking out for is a potential breakout from this structure. We retest and we are going here. But I don't see that happening because something red is going to happen today. RBA is cutting rates. So if they cut rate from 3.85 to 3.6, that will technically send the AUD USD selling. Now we have another structure from here, an SR level 1, SR level 2, SR level 3, SR level 4, SR level 5, SR level 6, break of SR level, retest 1, retest 2, retest 3. Let's go selling. Let's go sell this guy off. You can see. So I want the first sell to come into here where they will be confronted again. And most likely this guy might come here if they are not careful. If they are not careful. Yeah, they want to cut rate due to inflation concern. That will weaken AUD. And if it weakens AUD, but of course we are seeing that gold is pushing up and the momentum is high, and we are seeing a lot of orders from Shanghai Gold Vault and so many other fundamentals surrounding China massive acquisition of gold. And so we'll continue to look at it on a data approach instead of being speculative. I rely on probability. My concept of trading is to treat trading as probability instead of certainty. So because I trade probability, I follow market on day-to-day data approach. So what I see here is we don't know what's coming up, but at their cutting rate from 3.85 to 3.6, that could technically send the AUD USD coming down. So we have a fundamental from both parties, from United States and from Australia. So we'll be watching it and see a true economic outlook and see how that fares. We also look at a 10-year bond yield. So we're going to drop that fundamental to back our claims up. But I think at the moment, the price action are here. This is where you have that breakout followed by a retest. Very beautiful retest. You can see it. Let me be very objective about what happened. Look at after breakout from that structure, you had a retest in Monday 09, December 2024. Demand floor 1, demand floor 2, demand floor 3, demand floor 4, demand floor 5, demand floor 6, breakout, retest, and price came back, retest, 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 retest. Now they are waiting for fundamental to break the structure. So I'm sorry for RBA, and since they are changing official cash rate from 3.65 to 3.85 to 3.6, technically, I will see that the change in OCR will definitely affect the strength of AUD, and USD will leverage on that change in monetary policy. Of course, we have DXY on the demand floor, and we have seen a bullish rally, coming from tariff implementation and other tariff, sledgehammer hit on those who are fighting to, the BRICS gang. So we could technically see this playing out. So what I see is AUD USD to the downside. I'm sorry to say it's going to the downside, but it looks good and promising that this will also be a flaw after giving us here break of structure, demand floor here, supply roof, demand floor 1, demand floor 2, demand floor 3, demand floor 4. So if we rally here and we play, this is a nice buy floor, very nice, where we have here demand floor, break of demand floor, supply roof, break of a supply roof, demand floor 1, demand floor 2, break of a demand. Trading is very, very simple. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. So if price returns here, here is a demand floor. So if it comes here, we're going to buy. And if we break it, then we'll come here. Ultimately, we'll see some change in monetary policy that will send AUD USD back. So brace up, my Australian brothers. Your money is about to tank. Sorry about that.